Hello everyone, my name is Safwan Ahmed and this is my submission for Project-2 or Project Commerce. Here we have to design an eBay-like e-commerce auction site that will allow the users to post auction listings, place bids on listings, comment on those listings and add listings to a watch list. To be honest, this project was quite a challenge and it was really fun to work with. As you can see, this is an empty active listing page and we will create some listings now. But first, before you log in, you have to register. But I'm not going to do that as I already made an account. And for this project, you have to make a super user account. A super user account actually makes you like the administrator of the page, and we will talk about that later in the video. So let me log in first. So as you can see, as before, still empty. First, let's create a listing. Let's give it a title. For example, we will be listing a hammer. Let's add some descriptions. First, let's put a price on it. We have to set the bid. And in this field, we just have to copy the image link over here and just paste it over here. You can also use a saved image. Let's submit it. And here you go. We have a golden hammer. As you can see, here's the category, the title, the image, price. You can add the new bid, add it to your watch list, and also comment. Submit it. You can see the comment section here. And this close auction button will close the auction, declaring the winner. But for now, I won't click it because I am the only one who has placed the bid. Let's go back. Let's register a new account. Let's register. As you can see, there is no close auction button there. This means that I am not the super user. I can only place bids, add it to my watch list. As you can see, when I add it to my watch list, it turns red. Let's go to my watch list and you can see it's added to my watch list. Now let's go to the listing page and place a bid. 459. Make a bid, and the bid was updated successfully, and you can see here the bid has actually updated. A bid of 459 from buyer 1. Now let's go to the listing page and you can see the bid has been updated. Now let's close the auction. But before we close the auction, let's explore the perks of being an admin. Let's go to the URL bar here and type admin. And as you can see, there are 3 rows here: bids, listings, and users. Here you can see all the users, and here is the listing. And here, as the admin, we can control everything. We can edit them or close auction from here as well. We can view, add, edit, or even delete information. For example, we can manipulate the listings from here or the bids. Okay, now let's close the deal the regular way. And as you can see, when I click the close auction button, I don't have the access to the other functions from here, but I can still change things from the admin panel. And as you can see, now it's empty, and that product is now transferred to the closed listings page. Here's the closed listing page. This means that the product is sold, and if we go inside it, still don't have access to it from here. Let's log out and log in as the buyer. Here we can see the page congratulating the buyer as he won the auction of the hammer. So this was it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much.